Well, the intention was to win this game today because it was very important to us. This will mark our third victory, and we're hoping to close out the tournament strong. We're building. We have a very young team, and at the end of the day, it's about just moving up the ranking charts and just be victorious.
So you look at in terms of rankings, and I think when we checked earlier, Cayman was a little bit ahead of us. And I mean, beating someone ahead of us really pushed us into a better position. So that's one of the reasons why we were so happy. And I mean, coming to a tournament like this with a team, we're learning and they're gelling together. And this win just signifies and certifies them coming together as a team, finally moving together in one accord. We have Florida-based teams. We have New York-based teams. We have Atlanta-based players as well. So they're coming from a wide cross-section of the United States to come and to make this event, possible.